So good morning, everyone. I would like to welcome you all. Before the talks start, I would like to introduce you a little bit about the GRINNAQUA project. What is this about? Why is this workshop taking place here? So very briefly, don't know if you are aware of the Horizon Europe program, but usually we applied to pillars 1 or 2. This project was within a transversal program, which is the widening participation. So this is a twinning project. It's a bit different to what you are used to. And the idea is to strengthen a defined field of research, for instance, in a university. The main objectives, such as improve the science and technology capacity in the institutions, and there are some rules, for instance, like one institution, the coordinator must be an institution in a widening country, and there needs to be 2 additional partners from different member states or associate countries from Europe that will strengthen the consortium. In this case, we have 3. So usually the expected impacts of these twinning projects are to increase the research excellence in the Coordination Institute, for instance, improve the capability to succeed in competitive funding, enhance the reputation. So you can think that everything is towards the coordinator, and the participants, the beneficiaries, that doesn't have anything to win. But this is the challenging situation here, that we need to establish actually a solid partnership with a strong engagement with our partners. So there needs to be a win-win situation. So it is not only win for us. We need to show how the project will be sustainable, and how we can focus on strengthening the research management in our institution, for instance. So we came up with this project. So CIIMAR as coordinator, and then we have 3 other beneficiaries, which are the Rosling Institute within University of Edinburgh, INEA within CSIC, and University of Bergen. And we put together the strengths of these 4 different institutes. So we take advantage of the benefits from working with each other. So basically, from Rosling, we have strong skills in genetic improvement and breeding programs. From INEA, we have vaccine development, very strong skills in characterization of immune cells, mainly B cells. In our side, we have a strong background in functional diets to improve immune response, for instance, in fish. And from University of Bergen, we have a strong background also in, for instance, host-parasite interaction. They have been working a lot with the sea lice and salmon, for instance. There are several activities that including, for instance, enhancing the staff scientific and technology capacity from CIIMAR. So aim at the end of the project to increase our publication rate. For instance, we aim to improve the quality of our research also. For instance, to improve talent recruitment. So we have already participated with some proposals for the Marie Curie's individual fellowships. So the idea is to bring talent. We also have some activities in shortening the gap between science and industries. That's why we already went to some fairs with the industry to try to engage with them. And also we aim to contribute to a Porto European research area by increasing mobility of researchers between institutes. So there is lots of staff from CIIMAR that goes to different partners, and there are some staff from different partners that will come to CIIMAR, so we can strengthen our collaboration. There are several specific outcomes. I won't go into the details of all of them, but basically we aim to gather additional knowledge of fish immunity and genomic tools. We aim to acquire the new technical skills, such as, for instance, analysis of wild-omics data, flow cytometry, or fish vaccination. That's why this workshop is happening today. We aim to develop some alternative reflective strategies to organic aquaculture, for instance. This would translate into healthier end products for human consumption. We also aim to improve the competitive skills from CIIMAR and increase the outreach skills. Our main activities include 4 workshops. One was already performed in March in CIIMAR. This was coordinated by Rosling Institute, so it was related to genomic tools in aquaculture. Today we are having the vaccination workshop, which is coordinated by INEA, CSIC. And next year we will have the aquatic animal welfare workshop, and in 2025 we will have a workshop more dedicated to the industry. There will be 2 summer schools. One is already next year, in Roslin also, coordinated also by Roslin, and it's related to genomic and genetic tools. And there will be another workshop the year after, coordinated and performed in the facilities of INISSIC, so it will be mainly focused on force cytometry tools. We also have some activities regarding advanced training. So we have some students exchange, and in fact, some of our students already went to the facilities of our partners to improve their skills. So we have these bodies in the project, a coordinator, a project coordination committee. We meet once in a while, usually each 3 months, and then we have a management team, all from CIIMAR, because we have lots of work from our side. So we have this management team. There are 6 different work packages. So the work package 1 is usually this related to project management, so I won't bother you with that. There is work package 2, which is a specialized training for excellence, which is where we included all these workshops and summer schools. This is, for instance, an example of the workshop already took place in March. There will be, as I said before, other workshops. We have today the vaccination workshop. There will be another one, most likely in September, regarding aquatic animal welfare and fish pathology. And in 2025, we aim to have another workshop related more to the industry and fish farmers. And yeah, and we have the 2 summer schools. One will be in summer next year, and the other one, as I said before, in the summer the year after. There is a 3rd work package, which is an exploratory project. Actually, this is a new thing in the twinning project. In the other framework program in Horizon 2020, this wasn't possible, but they changed this for Horizon Europe, so we can allocate actually budget for exploratory project, and we are working here with methionine, alternative prophylactic strategy to improve fish immune responses, and we are here particularly focusing on coastal health. I won't go into these details. We have 2 PhD students working with rainbow trout and with salmon. And basically, we are working with the role of methionine on the response against VHS virus. And yeah, we will characterize the visual populations, for instance, after the viral infection. And we can also focus on the gills and skin, so then causal health through transcriptomics and proteomics approaches. Yeah, we have 2 other work packages related to stimulating research. So, for instance, work package 4 is more related to staff from the partner institutions to come to CIIMAR, and so they can actually transfer some knowledge to us so we can improve our way of working. Consortium sustainability, this means that we are developing strategies to apply either as some of the different partners from the GRINNAQUA together with other ones, or all of us apply to different goals to try to go beyond the project. So what the European Commission wants is that this concept of the twinning project doesn't end at the end of the 3rd year. So we have like a continuation of our collaboration. That's why it's called sustainability. And we are working towards that. So I hope actually we can keep working and we can strengthen our collaboration after the end of the project. And then we have a 6th work package, which is related to communication and dissemination. And you have Tanya working a lot here in this work package. So these are some of the activities we already took place. These are our social works. Yeah, and we can also, if you wish, you can also subscribe to our newsletter to get some news and updates of the project. For instance, when is the next workshop we're taking place, where is summer school taking place, that kind of things, and what we are doing within GRINNAQUA. So this is our website. These are our contacts. This is all I wanted to tell you about. So this is a very brief overview of the project. Thank you.